Hey everybody, good morning. I just wanted to make your weekly update for the week of September 27th through October 1st and just give you a couple updates so hopefully we can make sure as we move forward that you're improving and then I'm improving as well. There's always room for improvement. So what we're looking at real quick is your page for our class. I just updated our banner a little bit at the top. I thought it kind of looked a little bit wonky. But other than that, what I wanted to share with you very quickly is every time that you log in, you're going to be able to see that weekly agenda. Now, for you, you're still going to be able to see this week's, but probably later on today or Monday morning, I'm going to go ahead and change that to the following week. But a quick reminder for you that you can actually navigate this slide all by yourself. So you can see, super tricky, I actually have next week's stuff all ready for you. And then if you keep going, you're actually going to be able to circle back and see all of the other weekly agendas. One of the other things that I just want to share with you and make sure we're all on the same page is that you're always going to have a folder just like this that is going to just kind of keep it in track with you with the modules and then also give you the dates. So for this week, I'm going to come down here, take a look and see what we've got going on. Now, I did make a little bit of a change. I had 2 students contact me this week with a little bit of confusion. So we're going to try something new and hopefully this will be much clearer for you. So what I've done is in this week's folder right up here, I put every single thing you need for this week in this folder. So hopefully this is going to solve some of our confusion. So you're going to see in here that you have your checklist, your little weekly message with some goofy question that I ask you. And then these are the different activities. You can see that they're going to be due on Friday at 2:15. These are the different activities that we're going to be doing. This is just going to be your short weekly message, but I will give you, in some of these longer things, I'll put a little video in there as well so you know what to expect and what's coming and what's going. The last thing I just wanted to give you a quick reminder on is that we're now using this past work folder. We've actually had some students that have joined our class in this past week. So if you've joined our class or you're doing makeup work, you're going to scroll down and your past work folder is going to be this dark gray folder. When you come into that, you're going to be able to find the little modules that you can look at. This was our very first thing that we had, and then any of our old work. All right, so I hope that that answers some of your questions and that you're able to find everything. If you need any help, please make sure you reach out and you let me know. And if you go to East High School, please stop by the store or room 118 and say hi. I actually just met one of you yesterday in study hall, and it was the most surreal experience to actually meet you in person. So thank you, that student that came by to say hi. Have a great day. Reach out with any questions.